Welcome to Home of Math. Here is a Venn diagram. By this Venn diagram, we will try to solve set, verify the relation, and by Cartesian product, we will determine dome. Let's start. First question, express the set B using the set building method. We know set has two methods. First one is roster method, which we can express like inside second bracket, and element we will separate by comma. Another method is set building method, which is also we know about rule method. Now look, from where we will find out the value or element of set B. Here is a diagram. From here we will find out B. Look, here is the circle where indicate 2, 7, 3, 5 are element of set B, right? So we can write from Venn diagram we get the elements of B, which is B equals to what? 2, 3, 5, 7. Now this one we will make or express set building method or rule method. Now think, what can we do? Here 2, 3, 5, 7. So if the element is x and all the number are natural number, so we can say like this: first, all numbers are natural number. Here is one point. Second, which is very important, which is all numbers are prime number, right? All number are prime number. Look, 2, 3, 5, 7, everything is prime number. And another point we can add here, smallest number is 2 and highest number is what? 7. So 2 less than x less than 7, or we can use equal sign, right? So lots of things we get from here. Now so B equals to x element of n such that x prime number and 2 less equal x or less equal 7. Okay, done. First question done. Now second one, verify the relation A union B intersection C. It means first we have to find out the result of B intersection C and we'll make union with A. And right side we'll make intersection two set. First set is A union B, second set is A union C. Now let's start. Here The set A, B, C we will get from where? This Venn diagram. So we can write the answer, this one is answer 2. Okay, look, from Venn diagram A equals to what? A equals to this one. A equals to this one, right? So what is this? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. B equals to what? This one. Which is 2, 3, 5, 7. And C equals to what? This one is C. C, we can write what? 3, 4, 5, 6. Now verify the relation. Left hand side, A union and B intersection C. We can write direct. A means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Union. Intersection, B means what? B means 2, 3, 5, 7, and intersection here C. C means what? 3, 4, 5, 6. So first we have to find the result of B intersection C. It means this one. Now look, this is B and this is C. Look, this diagram and this diagram, once we compare, we will get the common thing only 3. So once we check, look, here is A, 1, 2, 3, 4 is a element of set A, union. Once we compare this one, we will get only 3 is a common element. So answer is 3. If we check this Venn diagram, also here only common thing is 3. Now look, we have to union with A. So we can write 1, 2, 3, 4. Union means common and uncommon. Every element should be used, right? So left hand side we get 1, 2, 3, 4. Now right hand side, here is A union B intersection A union C. A union B intersection A union C, right? Now A means what? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then union, B means what? 2, 3, 5, 7. This one we will pack in first bracket. Intersection, A union C. A means 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And union C. C means what? 3, 4, 5, 6. Also this one inside first bracket. So here is union. Therefore we can use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 intersection. And here is also union 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Now look. Look, we did a mistake like this. Here common thing not only 3, also common thing 5, right? Therefore look, here is also 5. 5 is belongs to B and also C. So here we also include another element which is 5, right? Now look, once we make intersection between A union B and A union C, we get A union B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and A union C we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look, here in first part 7 is not available in right side and 6 is not available in left side. Therefore the common thing is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is our answer. And let's check in the left side also same thing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore we can say this verification is what? True. Okay, so number 1 and number 2 done. And final question, if S equals to B union C, or we can say complement set of B union C product A, and we will find out the result of dome S. Let's start. Number 3, answer 3. So first we have to find out the result of B union C. So another thing we can write from Venn diagram we get A equals to what? This is A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then B equals to what? This is B. So 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. And C. This is C. C is what? 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. And another thing we have to write, which is universal set. Universal set every element including these 8. So we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Now look, first step, which is B union C. B means what? 2, 3, 5, 7. Union C means what? 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Now look, here common, uncommon, everything. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Step 2, second step, which is complement set of B union C. This one we can write universal set difference B union C. Universal set is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Difference B union C, which is this one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here which one is common? 1 to 7 is common. Therefore we can write, look here, 1 and 8 is not common, but 2 to 7 everything is common. Therefore complement set of B union C, the result should be 1 and this 8. Okay, so our first part done. Now not first part, this is the second part done. Now important thing, so S equal complement set of B union C product A. Complement set of B union C, we get 1 and 8, and product A, it's a Cartesian product. A means what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now once we make product, we will get like 1, 1. Okay, then 1, 2. We will make production or make product with 1 and 8 with all element of set A, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, then what? 1, 4. Now 8, 8, 1, 8, 2, 8, 3, 8, 4, right? So we already get the set of S. Now this relation, look, this S, we already find the element of S, but we have to determine DOM S. DOM means, look, in S has like this, S equals to X and Y. So X is a DOM S. So we can write like this. So first element, so here first element, look, only 1 and 8, because here is 1, 1, 1, 1 and 8, 8, 8, 8. So DOM S equals to 1, 8, and this is our answer. Okay, so thank you very much being with me. We are trying to solve these three math from this Venn diagram, and this is very important for any kinds of competitive examination or any national wise examination. Also in admission test you will face these kinds of problem. Look, here is 3 question, but any kinds of thing you will face in the examination hall. So thank you very much being with me. If you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. And one thing, sometime not from my mind, some mistake happened, please consider this and let me know what kinds of problem or what kinds of mistake you are facing. Just write a line in the comments box. Thank you.